Understanding high-protein diets.
High-protein diets have become popular among athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and those aiming to lose weight. But how much protein do you actually need each day? Understanding the right amount is key to building muscle, maintaining your weight, or supporting an active lifestyle. Let's dive into what the science says about daily protein requirements.
Protein basics. Why does it matter?
Protein is made up of amino acids, the building blocks of muscles, organs, and tissues. It's essential for repairing muscles after exercise, supporting a healthy metabolism, and keeping you feeling full. Whether your goal is muscle gain, fat loss, or general health, getting enough protein is vital for your success.
How much protein for muscle gain?
For muscle growth, research suggests aiming for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. For most active adults, this means about 20 to 35 grams of protein per meal. Spreading protein evenly across your daily meals helps stimulate muscle protein synthesis, helping your body build and repair muscle efficiently.
Protein needs for weight loss and maintenance.
If you're looking to lose weight, a higher protein intake, around 1.6 to 2.4 grams per kilogram of body weight, can help you preserve muscle while losing fat. Protein also increases feelings of fullness, making it easier to stick to your calorie goals. For maintenance, a moderate intake of 1.0 to 1.2 grams per kilogram usually suffices.
Protein sources and practical tips.
High-quality protein comes from both animal and plant sources, such as lean meats, dairy, eggs, beans, and lentils. Include protein in every meal and consider snacks like yogurt or nuts. Stay hydrated and listen to your body's needs, especially if you increase your protein intake. A balanced diet combined with regular exercise maximizes fitness results.
Summary. Find your protein sweet spot.
The ideal protein intake depends on your goals and body weight. Aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram for muscle gain, and slightly higher during fat loss phases. Choose varied, nutrient-rich sources and space your intake throughout the day. This approach helps optimize your results, whether you're building muscle, losing weight, or maintaining your current fitness level